Wait it until the ginger smell good. Mabango. Hep. Smell good ready? Mabango? Okay, put the garlic.
Until brown?
No, a bit brown. Smell good. Once the ginger more fragrance.
Ay, by smell.
Okay. Then put the chicken. The one later.
Chicken?
Put all the chicken. You can use the wood spatula if you want. No need.
Until brown again, the chicken?
No, until turning, you know, all the white color.
Oh.
Then later put the sauce.
Soy ka?
Soy sauce, black sauce, pepper.
Tama lang yung ako? Pwede hayaan? Ito ang mamaya na. Anong tunog ka?
You take out the black sauce. The black sauce is then soy sauce. Sesame oil. Pepper. Chicken powder. And then wine. Rice wine. No. Dito. Now you halo.
Parang malakas ako.
Dito, pamahina. Now, big first. Once boil, we lower the fire.
Once?
Boil, put the sauce, put the water, and then low, medium fire. Okay, white ready or? No blood ready? No more ready? Okay, now you lower. Not a medium only. Here, in between.
Like that.
Here, tama. Okay, now you take the sauce.
Where's the first?
Black sauce,
And then second.
soy sauce, and then pepper, chicken powder.
Pepper, chicken powder.
Okay, now you put na. Wine is the last one. Okay. Just stop. You don't know how to control. Don't buhos. Round. One more. Okay. Pepper.
Using my hand.
Okay. Spoon also can. Like that also can.
Enough.
Enough. Then chicken powder. Direct like that. I watching you.
Saka.
A bit more. Okay.
And
This
then
on the oil.
1 round.
Yes. Okay now. So you mix it first.
Ako nagpan mo sa
I know. Don't worry. And then put some water.
half saka.
Okay enough. Then put the chili first. Wait. Put the chili and the berry. Or what's that?
Patalis.
What's that?
Garlic.
Put that. Put that.
And then
Then put the water. Then you cover.
cover na, no? Don't mix na.
You mix first. Okay.